Every morning, millions of older adults wake up feeling stiff, not because they're injured, not because they've stopped trying, but because their bodies haven't been gently moved yet. Aging doesn't stop movement, but it can change how movement feels. In this video, we're exploring gentle stretching exercises designed for older adults, stretches that focus on mobility, flexibility, and helping the body move more comfortably during everyday life. Why stretching is important as we age? As we grow older, muscles naturally become tighter, and joints may move through a smaller range of motion. This can affect posture, balance, and how easily we move during daily activities. Stretching is one simple way to gently support movement. It encourages joints to move more freely and helps muscles relax after long periods of sitting or inactivity. Gentle stretching exercises for seniors. These stretches focus on the areas that commonly feel tight or restricted with age: the neck, shoulders, spine, hips, legs, and ankles. Each movement is slow and controlled, designed to support everyday mobility rather than extreme flexibility. All stretches can be done at home with a chair, wall, or mat for support. Exercise number 1, neck mobility and flexibility. The neck supports head movement for daily activities like driving, reading, and looking around while walking. To begin, sit upright with your shoulders relaxed. Slowly lower your chin toward your chest and hold for about 10 to 15 seconds. Then gently lift your head back to a neutral position. Next, turn your head slightly to the right. Pause and return to center. Repeat on the left side. These movements encourage gentle neck mobility and help ease stiffness that can build up from long periods of sitting or screen use. Exercise number 2, shoulder rolls and arm stretch. Start with slow shoulder rolls. Lift your shoulders upward, roll them back, then gently lower them down. Repeat a few times, then reverse the direction. For an arm stretch, raise one arm overhead and bend it slightly. With the opposite hand, gently support the elbow until a mild stretch is felt along the upper arm and shoulder. This stretch supports shoulder flexibility and comfortable arm movement. Exercise number 3, chest and upper back stretch. To stretch the chest, stand or sit tall and gently open your arms out to the sides, palms facing forward. Hold for several seconds while breathing normally. For the upper back, clasp your hands in front of you and gently round your shoulders forward, allowing the upper back to stretch. These movements encourage upright posture and balanced upper body mobility. Exercise number 4, spine and lower back mobility. The spine plays a central role in balance and movement. While seated, place your hands on your knees and gently round your back forward. Then slowly lift your chest and straighten your spine. This slow movement encourages flexibility through the spine. Another option is lying on your back with knees bent. Gently lower both knees to one side. Pause, then return to center and repeat on the other side. These stretches support controlled spinal movement and comfort. Exercise number 5, hip flexibility and mobility. The hips are essential for walking, standing, and sitting. One gentle stretch is the seated knee lift. While seated, lift one knee slightly toward your chest, hold briefly, then lower it back down. Switch sides. For a deeper stretch, lie on your back and cross one ankle over the opposite thigh, forming a figure 4 shape. Hold comfortably, then change sides. Hip stretches help maintain range of motion needed for everyday movement. Exercise number 6, ankle and foot mobility Ankle movement plays an important role in balance and stability. While seated, slowly point your toes forward, then pull them back toward you. Repeat several times. Next, make gentle circles with your feet. First clockwise, then counterclockwise. These movements help keep the ankles flexible and support comfortable walking. Stretching should always feel controlled and comfortable. Avoid bouncing or forcing a position. Use a chair, wall, or support whenever needed, and take breaks between movements.